So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make keema, ground beef with potatoes. For this recipe, you would need 1.5 pound ground beef, 2 medium-sized tomatoes cubed, 3 medium-sized potatoes cubed, 1 medium onion sliced, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon ground masala, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 1 green chili chopped, some cilantro chopped, and half a cup of water. In a large pot on medium to high heat, add oil, then add onions. Fry until the onions are golden brown. Add in the ginger garlic paste and cook for 30 seconds. Add ground beef and mix well. Next, add all the spices except the garam masala and some water and cook on medium heat until the oil separates. Next, add tomatoes and mix well. Cover and cook until tomatoes are tender. Periodically mix everything. Next, add in potatoes and some water. Cook until the potatoes are tender and soft. Now last, garnish with cilantro and green chili. Then add the garam masala. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, bye bye now.